It's LB from Women Outdoors, and we're sitting on top of a mountain with my friend Justin. Hello. From Jay's Modern Bushcraft and Survival. So in the description I'll send you a link to his channel. Check it out. He's got some real good videos to look at, and make sure you like and subscribe and turn on that notification button, and we'll hope you enjoy the video.
I want a little bit more potatoes.
The rice is getting there. Go to sleep, little birdie. We're being serenaded by this wonderful little bird. Time for the taste test.
Nor's. Was it rice or noodle? Which was it?
It's rice and pasta mixed.
Oh, interesting. I didn't see that one.
Yeah, it's butter and herb.
Yeah, that's right. I remember I saw that when you pulled it out.
With some pepperoni. It's pretty good.
On their, you know, like $400 tents hanging off their backpack.
Those are a real bushcraft. But I wanted to talk about something that I usually use when I carry around these Nor size. I saw this on YouTube a few years back. Great little thing. You just use the, I use the sun protector, I guess, to keep the sun out of your windows in your car, and some duct tape. And I put little Velcro straps right here on there where it just closes up. So if you don't have a bowl or you don't want to bring a bowl, you take your side, your north size, after you put water in there, put it in your little Mylar thing, close it up and seal it, and it actually just cooks on its own. And it's a great little feature because then what all you have to do is open it up, open up your bag, and eat it. So I'm going to match that tonight with some chicken creations with butter flavor pasta sides. So this is dinner, and let me get it on and try out the little Mylar thing. It works really well. Look at that. Isn't that yummy? Let's taste. That's good. It really is good.
Oh, there we go. I just pulled out a few. I see how it is.
Okay, so he found a pine cone. It was green, and he decides to roast it. Now, the problem is there's no nuts inside, but he says he sees what? Are you sure you're not eating plastic or paper?
Look down here where you cut it in half. See how there's some really deep?
Oh yeah, those are good. Those are future pine nuts.
Right. That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, those are future pine nuts.
Look at him, he's humping your leg.
Cut. Let's cut that out right now. Back to the pine cones.
You can't edit that out. That's too good.
I guess he doesn't go to sleep.
This bird chirped until midnight. Now he's up when I'm up. That's a strange little birdie.
Try a quicker strike, more glancing. No, not quicker succession.
Okay.
Just more speed and more glancing. Very lightly.
Ooh.
Yeah, I saw that. You got it. Boom.
Yay!
Good job. Yep. Now, if you had a Tinder bundle, you have a fire.
I made fire.
Gee, has made fire. Oh yeah.
Oh, this coffee's good this morning.
Yeah.
I surely did not want to get up.
I can usually fold them all up together, but